everyone, and welcome to Development Communication 206 course. My name is Raquel and I am tasked to do a report about abstract. Every time I hear the word abstract, I feel so distorted because of my experiences way back in my high school years. I have encountered solving abstract in my final exams and I don't find it fun. But today, the abstract that I am going to report to you is the abstract we create or write for our academic research or academic documents.
Wait, I've heard you from the other room. You're talking about abstract.
Yes, I do. And who are you?
I am Raquel.
I am Raquel.
Believe me, I am Raquel. I am your alter ego.
Will you be able to help me with my reporting today?
Of course, that's why I am here. I am willing to help you with your report.
Perfect. I will expect from you.
Of course.
There.
I'll see you in a bit. I'll be right back.
Thank you. What an entertainment. So let me start my report by asking you a question. What is a definition of an abstract? According to Orozco, 1991, an abstract is a brief but informative summary of the contents of a document. It is usually written last, but it is placed at the beginning of a report to give a busy reader pertinent details of its contents. Let me show you an example. Here is your abstract. It is placed in the very beginning of your research paper before your introduction. I would also like to add, the Writing Center of University of Wisconsin-Madison defined abstract as a short summary of a published research paper, usually 6 to 7 sentences or 150 to 250 words long. So we need to keep that in mind. In addition, abstract prepare readers to follow detailed information, analysis, arguments in your full paper, and help readers remember key points. Now, what is the use of abstract in documents? Hey Raquel, will you be willing to help me enumerate them? Sure, I can. So an abstract can be a document surrogate, meaning it serves as substitute for the document itself. Serves as important links to the original document if placed in a database. It also serves as more informative than the title. Serves information seeker assess the value of a document without needing to consult itself. Serves as a practical purpose for readers to get a drift of the main facts without going through the whole document immediately. Now let's move on to the fun part. How do we prepare abstract for research studies? Remember this, in research studies, abstract should be short, direct to the point, and reconstruct the most important details about the contents of your document. What are the key elements of abstract in scientific studies? Your abstract should present the significance of the study, the problem of the study, objectives of the study, methodology, significant findings, and main conclusion or recommendation. According to the National Library of Medicine, there are 5 types of scientific abstract. One is descriptive, informative, structured, semi-structured, and non-structured. To know more about the definition of its types, I recommend the link below. Now that we are able to define and discuss its elements, I have incorporated here the samples from our Development Communication 206 reference book. Let us take a look and read Box 2-1 Sample Abstract. This sample abstract details a paper taking agricultural issues from sociological perspective. So even without having to read all the research article, the reader can obviously grasp what the abstract is all about. Remember our discussion earlier? This abstract is clear and it is following a prescribed length. In addition, if you notice, the language used in this abstract could be technical for general audience because abstract is meant for specialized audience just like me and you. Now moving forward, box 2-2 is a scientific studies abstract sample. Let's take a look and read it. As you can see in this sample, the researcher stated his reasonings and justification for an action made for the research. In short, state your reason of the study, which is your rationale. You can also notice that the researcher presented a methodology on how the study was conducted. Researcher mentioned that the feed were incubated. It uses a 5 Latin design as a place to where it was incubated, and the researcher also used 5 types of diet. The researcher then mentioned in his main findings that the variations of the pH of rumen fluids are not significant, that the 5 types of diet did not affect degradation. Researcher mentioned that the rate of alfalfa degradation is higher than the maize stover. And last of all, the researcher then concluded that the alfalfa and maize stover differ from their degradability according to the walls of their chemistry. You need to write your abstract until after you've drafted your full paper so that you will know what you are summarizing. I think that we have covered at least the important information we need to know in forming an abstract in doing our research paper. Thank you, Raquel, and thank you so much, everyone. We do hope that you have learned something from us and that you will make use of this information for your future research. Again, I am Raquel, and see you around. Have a good day.